child who wants to live it and try. My mind must be free to learn all I can about me. I'm gonna love him for the rest of my days. Encourage the babies every time they sing. Self-preservation is what's really going on today. The beat in my heart is loving you, but it still don't mean the same. Just like you don't know it's okay.
A cabbie who does.
After some gentle encouragement, Anushka reluctantly decides to head for her new living quarters.
The setup at the moment is we have this middle track between both tigers. So Anushka has her side of the house and Igor has his.
Although they'll still have the freedom to roam outside, the tigers will be separated at all times. For the next few months, Igor and Anushka will have to conduct their love affair from either side of the bars.
It's pretty obvious to me that they are pining for each other already.
Although it's going to be a wrench, the reward will be massive. There are just 400 and more tigers left in the wild, so the cubs will play a vital role in boosting their numbers.